When my elderly father-in-law began falling, we knew it was time to get him a walker. Luckily, I spotted this Carex Uplift Folding Walker. It's a great value because it's so sturdy and easy to use. It has 2 sets of comfortable rubber hand grips with ridges for a non-slip and secure grip. The lower set of hand grips are to help with standing or sitting, and the legs have rubber tips at the bottom, so you can use it on any surface with confidence. The walker can be adjusted in height from 30 to 37 inches in 1-inch increments to give a perfect fit to the user. This offers much needed assistance when standing or walking for the elderly, people with a handicap or disability, or recovering from an injury. Best of all, it's lightweight to handle, and with just a push of a button, it collapses flat for easy transport or storage. It's made of sturdy materials that's smooth and simple to maintain. And I feel better knowing my father-in-law will be safer and have more independence with this reliable walker.